So first off, I'm using the MUA concealer as an eyeshadow base, blending that in. Then I'm going to be taking the Toofaced chocolate bar palette in white chocolate and setting that all over my lid from top to bottom. Then I'm going to be taking salted caramel, starting from the outer corner, working my way towards the inner corner. Then I'm going to be using milk chocolate and overlapping them two together. Then I'll be taking semi-sweet and literally popping that on my lid, overlapping the two, but not too much, so you can still see the semi-sweet colour. I've got naturally flat lids, you see, so I have to really work at getting myself a decent eye shape. Then I'm going to be taking Triple Fudge, the darkest shade, and popping that all over the lid. Then I'm going to be taking the concealer again to create that cut crease and winging it out at the ends to create that flicked effect. Just patting that in, nice and easy. Then I'm going in with the shimmer shade in the Shine Happy Toofaced face palette. I'm popping that all over my lid, literally patting that in. Then I'm going in with the semi-sweet at the edges, making sure I leave a little gap for that cut crease. Then I get the Shine Happy again and blend them two together. Then I'm going in with the Triple Fudge, the darkest shade in the chocolate bar palette, and putting that just at the end to give it that ombre effect. Then I'm going straight on top of the cut crease, adding more depth and dimension to my eye. Using the same two shades of the Too Faced chocolate bar palette underneath my eye. And I'm going in with the Gigi Hagid eyeliner. This is my most favourite eyeliner. I literally use this in every video. It is so beautiful, it glides on like a dream. Now I'm just creating that signature Asian bridal cut eye, starting from the bottom inner corner of my eye and joining it at the top. Then I'm going to be using a coal black eyeliner pencil just to give my eye a really bold look. Then I'm taking heavy glitter Urban Decay glitter liner in Space Cowboy and popping that in the cut crease. And also popping that on my lid just a tiny bit to give it a little bit of shimmer and shine. Then I'm taking Make Up Your Mind SRK lashes in Bushbaby. Then using the Kiko Milano Fall 2.0 mascara. Then I'll be taking my most favourite highlighter, Fenty Beauty Killawat Trophy Wife, and highlighting underneath my brow bone. Now I'm using Nicka New York liquid matte lipstick in Cocabean. You can get these from Just Essentials. They're absolutely amazing, so creamy. Then I'll be setting my face with the Too Faced setting spray. It's my most favourite setting spray ever. And that's it, we're done. I hope you guys have enjoyed my Asian bridal look, and I'll see you on the next one.